Two, three.
Hey,
Hi,
it's me, Mira.
it's me, Joe,
Yes.
and today we'll teach you how to speak Tagalog, Arabic, and English all together. So we'll choose. What is if she win, okay, I will give the word. Okay, if I win, I will give the word in English. After that, we'll say it in Arabic and English. So let's get start. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Cheater. Okay. Me.
Ako.
Ana. In Arabic, ana. Ako. In Tagalog. Me in English, you know. Okay, again.
Rock, paper, scissors. Dad, this is
Wait.
two times.
Okay.
Two times.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Come on.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Has 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
You.
You. Enta.
Ikaw.
So in Arabic, enta. Ikaw in Tagalog. Okay, again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Again.
Witch. The witch with the hat.
Which?
The
Okay. Which in Arabic, sahira.
Mangkukulam.
Okay, what?
Mangkukulam? I don't know. I think it's mangkukulam. Mangkukulam.
Mangkukulam?
I think.
She think mangkukulam.
Because I don't speak Tagalog so.
Okay, again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, you cheater. Again. 1, 2, 3. No, I'll count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ayun.
Cat.
Cat. In Arabic is qatta.
Pusa.
In Tagalog, pusa. In Arabic. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Why are you always rock? Wait. Plant.
Plant. Zara.
Halaman.
Halaman.
Yeah.
Halaman in Tagalog. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Love.
Mahal.
In Arabic, hub.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm the winner.
Door.
Door. Bab.
Pinto.
Similar, huh? Pinto. Bab. Bab in Arabic, pinto in Tagalog. Again.
1, 2, 3.
What is this? Okay, I'm in your paper. Okay. All right. Let's say table.
La mesa.
La mesa.
Or mesa.
Or mesa. La mesa or mesa.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
Oh wait, I think it's always la mesa. Yeah, it's always la mesa.
What that?
La mesa.
La mesa. In Arabic is taula. 1, 2, 3. Again, shooting. Okay. Electric fan.
I don't know that. No, I think there's no Tagalog of that.
Oh, you don't have Tagalog on
So
that
you
one?
just say electric fan.
Okay, in Tagalog there is no electric fan, so in Arabic is marwaha. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay. Mouse.
Daga.
Farah.
Halika na, bilisan mo! Dito ka na maligo.
Wait, I can cut it.
Can cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, great! Oh, it's wrong!
Shawarma rice. Shawarma.
Wait.
Tapos mag-ano tayo? Arabic.
Book.
Book. Kitab.
Libro.
Libro.
Yeah.
From library is libro. Okay, but in Arabic is kitab.
1, 2, 3.
You expect I will do? I will do. Ano? I will do rock again.
Ika na.
Rose.
Rose. Rose in Arabic is Zahra.
Rosas.
Rosas. Similar. Okay, again.
1, 2, 3. Why?
Okay, choose a word here.
Pillow.
Pillow.
Yeah.
In Arabic, مخدة.
Unan.
Unan. Unan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Curtain.
I don't know. But there is a curtain in Tagalog.
There's curtain. No curtain in Tagalog?
No, there is.
There is, but you don't know. Okay, curtain is in Arabic. I forgot. What the? What's curtain in Arabic? Wait. Bardaye, bardaye. In Arabic, bardaya. Bardaya. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. I win. Okay, your turn.
Wait. Wait, I forgot. What was that? Wait. Wait. Glasses.
Glasses you mean for the ano?
Yeah.
Okay, glasses in Arabic is nadhara.
Wait, I forgot what's... Wait, I'm thinking. It's like mirror in Tagalog, mirror.
1,000 later. Ask mommy.
Ma.
Mommy, what's glasses in Tagalog?
Oh my god, that was salamin.
Salamin?
Yeah.
Salamin. In Tagalog, salamin. Okay, again. 2, 3. Oh my god. Okay, kitchen.
Kusina.
Kusina. Matbakh. In Arabic. Okay. Fish.
Isda.
Samak. One, two, three. Okay. Okay. Toys.
Laruan.
Toys laruan? Like laruan. Okay.
Mga no, is with the S?
Laruan? Toys, yeah, toys. Like toys. Stuffed toys.
Stuffed toys?
Oo.
Yeah, laruan.
Laruan. In Arabic is al'ab. Okay, al'ab. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I'm so smart.
Type. Okay. How to say I want to go bathroom?
Gusto kong mag-CR.
Gusto mag-CR. Gusto mo, smear gusto mo.
Gusto ko.
Gusto ko?
Gusto ko.
Gusto ko.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mag-CR.
Mag-CR. Gusto ko mag-CR. Mean I want to go CR. In Arabic, أنا بدي أروح على الحمام.
What's that?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No! Wait. Poison.
Come on, poison. Sam.
Lason.
Lason san. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is it paper or? Make your hand like this way. Is it paper or what? Scissor. Okay, play. Don't play. Okay.
Face.
Face. وجه.
Muka.
Muka. Muka. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I lost. Okay.
I know you're always using rock.
Okay.
You're always using rock, so
and I love you.
mahal kita.
In Arabic, أنا بحبك.
Okay.
أنا بحبك. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, wait. Hair.
Hair. شعر.
Buhok.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Me?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It was paper. Anywhere else.
Okay. A clock.
Clock. Orasan.
Orasan. In Arabic is ساعة. ساعة وحائط.
Okay.
Okay. Again. Okay. What time now?
Anong oras na?
ما هو الوقت الآن? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ikaw.
Window.
Window. Okay, window is نافذة.
Bintana.
بنتانا. طيب, how to say I'll look through the window in Tagalog?
Titignan ko yung... I don't know.
Forget it.
No, my grammar is bad in Tagalog.
Oh?
Yeah.
Next. I'll say it in Arabic. أنا أنظر خلال No, don't cut my beard. No, cut it off. Or shave it. Okay, next. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Is it Caesar or paper? I don't know. Your hands making it like this way, you know.
No, it's scissors.
Caesar, okay.
Yeah, it's scissors.
I'm playing with that. Okay, Caesar.
I don't know what's
You don't know what Caesar? Okay.
I know it starts with a G. Gunting. That's scissors.
Scissors in Arabic and in Tagalog is gunting. In Arabic is maqas.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Light.
Light. The light.
Oh, light, yeah.
Ilaw.
Ilaw. ضوء in Arabic. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3.
That was rock. It was rock.
No, it's not right. I saw it. It's paper. We can go back to recording.
Okay.
1,000 year later. Choose anything in the sala and the ano.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay, there. Okay, I will choose.
Sweet, sweet.
Sweets. Okay, sweet. Sweets mean hello.
Oh my god, wait, what did I forget? Matamis.
Matamis. So, for our first vlog about the Arabic, Tagalog, and English. So, press like, subscribe, and wait for the next video to learn Arabic, Tagalog, and English. Thank you for
Goodbye.
watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.